we're going to divide this polynomial by 2x plus 5. I'm going to show you the area model, and then we're going to do a different problem using long division. But first, let's start the area model. So the very first thing you do is you put the first number in the very first box, and then you work from there. What number times 2x gives you 6x cubed? 3x squared. So 3x squared times 2x gives you 6x cubed. So now we also have to multiply into the next box. 3x squared times 5 give us 15x squared. However, we don't want 15x squared. Our next term was supposed to be 7x squared. If you recall, the numbers in these two boxes along the diagonals will add up to make 7x squared. So that means we need to put negative 8x squared into this box because 15x squared minus 8x squared give us 7x squared. Again, what times 2x will give us negative 8x squared? And that is negative 4x. Negative 4x times 2x gives us negative 8x squared. And negative 4x times 5 gives us negative 20x. But we want negative 16x. So that means these two boxes will have to fix that for us to get negative 16x. It means we need a positive 4x here because negative 20x plus 4x give us negative 16x. What times 2x gives us 4x? And that is 2. 2 times 2x gives us 4x, and 2 times 5 gives us 10. Oh, look. 10 is the number we were looking for, so that means we have 0 remainder, and we're all done. That means that 2x plus 5 is a factor of 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus 16x plus 10. So when you divide that polynomial by 2x plus 5, you get the result of 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. That means that 2x plus 5 times 3x squared minus 4x plus 2 will give you, if you were to multiply all that out, 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus 16x plus 10. Since there was 0 remainder, that means that 2x plus 5 is a factor of that. Please pause the video now and come back if you need help with long division later. So we are going to divide this polynomial using long division. It's the same polynomial. What we do is we look at the leading term. So we always look at the leading term. This guy, we'll catch him in a minute. He doesn't matter as much as the leading term. So we look at the leading term. How many times will 2x go into 6x cubed? That answer is 3x squared, because 3x squared times 2x equals 6x cubed. Don't forget our mnemonic: dead monkeys smell bad. I mean, they definitely don't smell good, right? So we just divided to get the 3x squared. Now we're going to multiply 3x squared times the entire thing. So 3x squared times 2x is 6x cubed. And 3x squared times 5 is 15x squared. Now we're going to subtract. And don't forget to subtract both terms. This is the reason that I don't really prefer long division for new students doing polynomials, because you always forget to subtract both terms. So please subtract the whole thing. And then you should always get a 0 here, because 6x cubed minus 6x cubed is 0. If this doesn't 0 out, you've done something wrong with your division. And then 7x squared minus 15x squared is negative 8x squared. And remember, we got similar numbers like that in the box problem before. So now that we've brought down, the next step is bring down, which means we bring down this negative 16x, and we're going to start the process all over again. The first thing we do, divide. Dead monkeys smell bad, so divide. So we're going to divide negative 8x squared by 2x 2x, and that's going to give you negative 4x. So now we're going to multiply, that's the next step, by everything. So we just did the leading coefficients to do the division, right? But now we're going to multiply by everything. So negative 4x times 2x is negative 8x squared. Yay, they match. We did it. And negative 4x times positive 5 is negative 20x. Do not forget to subtract, and you've got to subtract both terms. So that means it will change both of these signs to positive, and then we can subtract. Yay, we got a 0. We did it right. And this is positive 4x. And then we're going to, after subtracting, bring down, hello puppies, 4x plus 10. Awesome. And last time, D first, Dad, divide. So we're dividing 4x, just the leading coefficients. 2x, 4x divided by 2x gives us 2. So a positive 2. 2 times 2x is 4x. Yay, they match. 2 times 5 is 10. Awesome. Don't forget the last step, which is subtract. So we're going to subtract these, and we get a 0, which means we have a remainder of 0. Yay! And if you have a remainder equals 0, that means that 2x plus 5 is a factor of 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus 16x plus 10. Awesome job!